Yo, what's up everybody? It's sunset time and we just arrived to Changi area in Bali, Indonesia obviously. This is like more further west from Sesek, Pererenan, Canggu, but it's pretty far to the Canggu. A lot of is going on here. We're gonna have some coffee, watch the sunset, and also we're gonna show you an area around because, like I said, a lot of is going on actually here in Bali in general, but especially in those areas like Changi perhaps.
So we decided to go to the one beach warung over there, and it seems like, you know, it's just like a local warung, but that place is packed with people. Let's see how it is.
Let's see how it is, and also I want to show you a little bit of the beach situation. Is Black Sand Beach obviously, that's the Sesek beach there. Waves are nice, but not too many surfers though. And also there, where's the white sign, there's the land for sale for the beach resort, just in case if you perhaps would you like to buy.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a coffee though. Also this warung was so small just 2 years ago. It was like a few chairs and that's it. Now it's big and busy.
All right, so we just arrived in one warung. Basically it's just like the vibe, really local vibe, you know, with the grass on the top, dried grass. This is actually what Bali that you remember about the local warung, a Bali local warung that you remember about the grass on the top, simple furniture like this, and the boys there selling the food and beverage. But yeah, there is music. It's just like how it is the bar in Bali. So yeah, what I can show you is that with the coconut trees as the background, and this is just like, you know, how is the warung Pantai or beach bars warung in Bali, basically the one that you remember. And we will watch sunset over there. It's beautiful sunset. And yeah, what I can say then, this place is actually packed with people. You see in every single corner, busy and busy. And this is the name. If you want to come, it's called Warung Pantai. And there is a swing also here, and coconut trees as a background. So chill basically. And on the left, on the right side, this restaurant or this warung is packed with people, and we will watch sunset soon. The most important thing is they also sell the cold bintang ice and coffee shop, ice and coffee. Oh, we definitely need to have a coffee. And Damian is sitting there. And yeah, what I can say then, the dogs are everywhere. So this is it basically. And child there, so many children basically playing on the swing and the bean bags. Yeah, so this is it. So on the left, on the right side, the rustic warung, you know, surrounded by the coconut trees. Damian sitting there. Children, dogs, people, sunset. So yeah, this is it. So it's coffee o'clock. Damian is having his coffee basically. And yeah, what I can say then, this place, wow, we will watch sunset soon. And yeah, so it's very nice.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh.
Alright guys, so that was the nice coffee and everything. Now it's the time to explore a little bit of the Changi Changi village and Changi beach, Changi village, overall Changi area, which is the like parallel to the Sesek and then Pererenan and then Canggu, but more into Tanah Lot, Tabanan area. So this is actually the little road going to the Changi beach, and this hotel, this bamboo constructions, what you can see is the old hotel. Long time ago somebody built the hotel, and in general that was like a very small tiny road. I remember even it was dirt road not so long ago, but now look at this, what's going on around. So much construction of villas and huge complex of the apartments, or probably villas in general. Like not so long ago nobody even know about existence of this beach of Changi in general village. It was just the local village, but right now, as you can see everywhere, a lot of everything new. So like I already mentioned many times, the development of Bali in general, it's going so fast and so much is going on. So in the background you see also the nice construction of something, a never-ending complex of villas actually. Sometimes I've been thinking, who the hell is coming here and building all of this? I mean, whoa, that's the doggo somewhere, also scary. But check this out, who is building this? I mean, I know the local people, Indonesian, who coming to work to Bali to make a coin for living, but who is investing money into this? I mean, like, who and how and why? I mean, crazy, right? Everywhere. And this is like pretty far from Canggu in general. Generally, all of this not so long ago it was just the rice fields, but now construction, a lot of construction. This one is even like some sort of apartments, 3 floors building connected to the villa. The cars, they don't even have a place to park the cars because they took all the land for the property, so they leaving the cars on the road. Even it's just very tiny village road. There is this corner is like completely, it's like building a kuta in 1980s, some sort of thing like this actually. So yeah, so this is the Changi basically. If you're just interested who else famous people in Bali built in Changi, to answer myself the one questions, who building all of this, famous influencer named Christian built his lost villa somewhere here as well. I'm not gonna show you where because not promoting anything and anybody, but those sort of people building here probably. But I remember not so long ago was nothing here. I mean, like, it was not even asphalt road here, you know. So basically you can still see some rice fields obviously, but overall not much gonna left here in the next few years. That's for sure. And the sunset in the background also. The farmers still here planting the rice basically, as you can see, but they didn't find the buyer for this land yet, but they're gonna sell it in the nearest future, that's for sure, 100%. That's warranted. On the other side of the street already they were a little bit more lucky and they sold the land because it's flat. So the land what is flat is gonna be easier sold, and the land what is more into you know, like a step one, like a paddy one, it will be a little bit more difficult to sell simply because you know, it's more expensive to build, right? But this is all only matter of time. This is continuation of Changi village. There will be some big cafe already.
Townhouse, honey.
Houses. I mean, a lot of is going on technically.
Oh, look at on the right side, the brand new building as well.
Yeah.
Probably another coffee shop or restaurant. Look, villas on the right. You see villa on the left. Wow.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Villa on the right, you see. Wow, in every single corner.
In every single corner basically. Here you have still rice fields with the water in it, but next to it is the construction of something. So that's gonna be actually the gym already.
Oh, look. Blue Beach Bali Real Estate.
So basically like that everywhere. More closer to the ocean you go, more congested it is with the houses and villas. Oh, here is the land for something for, I don't know, like for lease, for rent, whatever. Like a lot of stuff everywhere. Here is already something big, but it's closed, like a Ombak, Changi beach, but it's not open recently. But overall, this is it. And you can go also more to the Pantai Changi, obviously. Yeah, actually the hotel maybe is open, just the restaurant is closed. And here we go, this is already the beach, but we are not going there today because they charge for the parking, obviously. It's so busy.
All right, so this is how it is the Desa Changi or Changi village. Wow, this is just like an eye-opener. You see in every single corner, all the rice field is turning into the concrete jungle. You see there villas for leasehold, villas. Rice paddies left, just waiting for the more expensive buyer probably. And over there also villas, townhouses. Wow. Desa Changi and Seseh, and I think
Sayang, there are some foreigners, visitors looking to buy this place. Can you see that? Actually, they watching into it. Sorry for disturbing, but I just noticed that.
So maybe they are the owners, because you know the trend is Bali is that whenever you open YouTube, I'm building villa in Bali, or I move to Bali and build a villa in Bali. So that's how it is. And one thing that I see from the demography of the people who are living in Changi, Seseh, Canggu, Nyanyi area, mostly they are coming from Russian, Ukrainian, and also other European countries. So what
No
I can
Australian
say.
anymore?
No, Australian only.
Out of business?
Kuta Legian
Okay.
and then Brawa. So yeah, in this area Changi Seseh that I see, yeah, mostly European who are interested in investing, you know, business property here in Bali. So yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.